Jasna, first of all, for taking out time and talking to Yota today. And I would like to first congratulate IBITS Technology Solutions for bagging this prestigious the Golden Circle Awards and being recognized as Partner of the Year.
Thank you for inviting me. Actually, it's a great pleasure to be part of the Yota partner team, and we appreciate the recognition that Yota has given us, and this has given us more responsibilities in the coming years to excel. So looking forward to it.
Fantastic. So, Jasna, before we talk about your partnership with Yota and what kind of work we are doing, if you could begin with giving a little heads up about IBITS Technology Solutions as such.
IBITS is into the data center support and services segment since 2006. We have partnered with data centers across the globe, and recently our partnership with Yota to offer cloud services mainly to focus on the upcoming Indian market. We have started offering our customers solutions like VDI, GPU on cloud, and other cloud-related services.
What kind of efforts being put towards skill development, enhancing capabilities, or towards the emerging technologies that we are seeing being largely adopted by customers across industries?
Knowledge is the key in the tech space. We ensure our team is constantly trained on the latest technology, and we try to motivate our team to attend most of the trainings and certification programs through all the partners that we operate today. We embrace new products that our partners bring in and take it to our customers to make sure they are all well ahead of their competitors.
Talking about your partnership with Yota, could you tell us about how it all started? What kind of go-to-market strategy that both the companies have kind of devised and taking to the market as such?
Partnering with Yota was a conscious decision to strengthen our client base in the South Asian countries, as I mentioned before. So today we offer all wide range of Yota services to our client, be it like VDI, Pickle, graphic workstations, SAP solutions, and other innumerable cloud services that Yota provides.
How are these offerings that you jointly take it to the market is aligned to our range of co-location and tech services products and offerings that we have for the enterprise customers here in India?
Being in the data center space for some time, we have worked with many brands, but Yota is a full package solution. Not many competitors are strong in both co-location and cloud services. So Yota has given importance to both, and they focus on offering innovative solutions. That is a huge win-win for partners like us.
How are you looking to take this partnership to the next level in terms of serving the customers end to end?
We are eagerly looking forward for the launch of Yota data centers pan-India, so that we have customers in different parts of the country who are willing to choose co-location services closer to their region. So the adaptation of cloud and data center services is much faster than ever before, as a fast-growing company like Yota would be the only answer to support this growth for our customers. Then our highly skilled team of professionals have given the best experience to our customers, be it related to pre-sales, support, or billing. And we're confident we can penetrate the market even further, to take Yota services to completely new client base.
I'd like to understand from your organization perspective, what kind of future roadmap that we have, especially looking at the current scenario we are in, unprecedented situation. What kind of roadmap have you set for IBITS Technology as such?
We are looking into, providing more and more cloud solutions to reach out to many more clients. We are exploring many new avenues because Yota has given the platform for it. They have all the infrastructure ready. We just have to get it to the right clients and grow business along with them. That's what we hope.
All right. So thank you once again, Jasna, for taking our time today and talking to Yota team. and it was a pleasure talking to you. And all the best for your future endeavors.
Thank you. Same here, and appreciate once again for inviting us and choosing us.